Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm dancing because today is going to be very busy for me. I will be doing a lot of cleaning today because the whole house is a mess. Yesterday was my daughter's birthday party celebration, so this whole house was full with children. I did a little bit of cleaning yesterday. Afterwards, I have to, make dinner. You see those balloons there? We're going to bust everything today. This is what I'll be cleaning up today. What are you doing?
Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. a little bit long. I need us to be a little bit high, a little bit long, completely alone. Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit long? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit long? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we say?
Guys, the living room is done. I'm going to clean her bedroom, but it's going to be like a separate video because I don't want this video to be too long. The balloon behind me, the birthday balloon, she doesn't want us to spoil it. I took already toothpick to just chook it, chook. She was like, no. She started crying, and to avoid drama and crying all day, I'll just do it when she's in school. So I'm going to do that on Monday. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do not forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.